You're looking for a fan. Reaches up to 40 inches. Placed down on the floor. Remote control driven with a timer to shut on and off and to rotate around. This may be a fan that you're looking for that is quiet in dB levels, 30 to 40 dBs, with 10 through 30 plus hours of runtime for your cooling needs. We're going to show you what this fan is about. Let's get showing. Primelove makes a number of fans. Check online for further details about their products and what you are after. This is a 10,400 milliamp fan, model number PF11 Pro. It has 4 speeds and it is telescopic pole that you can set up and place anywhere that has no electricity that you need to have a fan blowing on you. Work, buy a boat, RV, camping, in the house, in the kitchen, drying your makeup, and more. So we're going to open up the package. You'll get to see what's inside the box and how they ship things with the USB-C appliance, a remote control, and an instruction guide to go over at your leisure. And the fan packed in paper, a foam, a plastic. Color is black, and this is the fan. Everything that you get inside the box. You have scent oils that you like to put in the center that you can simply twist off and unscrew and take out. Sometimes it's a little hard to pull out, but you'll get it off. And you put a piece of foam in there that breathes with your scent oil and cover up. That is an option and it locks into place. You have your silicone door here that shows the USB-C port. 5 volt, 2 amps allowed for a rated charger. A leather strap that stretches out so you can carry along with 3 rubber feet and the oscillating bottom. Over here, this is the way you open up. Just simply grab and lift up. It has clicks 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the fan rotates up and lifts up to a certain height. We'll take a measurement from the table to the top at 40 inches and the diameter 8 inches, and the fan's diameter is 7¼ inches plus. Aluminum pole that simply pushes down to the height you want, adjustable in an angle, and simply to turn on with 3 black buttons, an on and off, an oscillating, and a timer, and a remote control, and a remote control slot. They take a 2025 battery, remove the slot tab, put in your remote control, and charge up your unit for the first time. That will take a number of hours. We already have a USB compliance cable hooked up, and you see 4 blue lights that circulate towards the down spot. And we are charging. We are able to turn the unit on, and this is the front of the unit, the way it's facing. Hit the on button. Hitting the on button will go in cycles of speed 1, 2, 3, 4, and off. Over here, all you do is either take the remote control or hit the on button. As you hit it on for the first speed, you see the fan blowing. It has a nice gentle force. And we have the oscillating button that we simply point to the fan, and we have it with one stem a little low. And it oscillates with the AC plug-in, the port. It gives a nice, cool, gentle breeze. Hitting the center button or the remote control for oscillating will start and stop your rotation. The fan's decibel is 30 to 40 dB. Very quiet for those evening hours, with speed number 1 being at 30 hours of runtime. Speed number 2, 20 hours. Speed number 3, 15 hours. And speed number 4, which is the highest, for 10 hours of runtime. At the patio, sitting out, simply opening up, and takes a number of seconds to set up to the height you want and turn your fan on. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. For those times at the barbecues that you simply open up to the widest setting and place up and just rotate for circulating air to keep cool and whatnot. The 30-hour runtime fan at the lowest speed can be set up at any type of angle you want by the kitchen while working. So if you're looking for a fan that may be of interest in different types of models and colors for your cooling needs, the prime valve fan may be something that you are after. Thank you for viewing.